On Nelson MindTap, we have a mixture of online activities that can be assigned to your students for them to complete and for teachers to receive graded results. The system will automatically grade any of our objective answer only, such as multiple choice, mix and match questions. However, anything that has a short answer required to it, you will be prompted as a teacher to complete the marking with this little pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you will see the question as well as the student answer there below. We have provided you with the answers, which can be found in these three little dots here. When you click on the three dots, there you can see the correct answers. To provide a score, go up to this section here and enter in the score that you would like. Click onto save, and then you can go on to the next question. You are required to do this for any of our short answer questions. To view a student's mark, please click on the percentage that they have and then click onto view. Here you'll see their overall score, and then when you click onto question 1, you'll see how they have exactly answered that question. The arrows along the top allow you to go through all of the questions. You can click onto a student's name and then drill down further into anything that student has been assigned and any of their scores.